Hi everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to make this earring. I have decided to call this type of earring Ferris wheel because it reminds me the Ferris wheel. They are made with the circular brick stitch technique and they are so simple to make. I've never done some earrings like this one, so I've decided to make a different type of earring, and I decided to show you in this video how to make them. To make our Ferris wheel earrings, you will need very few materials, very few supplies. But if you haven't got the 4 centimeters ring I use in this video, you can use a different size of a ring, because in this video I show you the steps to make it, but you can use different types and different sizes of rings too. To make our Ferris wheel earrings, you will need some silver 15-0 seed beads. I'm using this one, I think they are of Miyuki, and I'm using the same color of the 11-0 seed beads. Then I will use some metallic cosmos seed bead. I love them, I love this color. You will need some super duo beads too. I'm using the color sweet dark blue. You will need a 4 centimeters ring, and you can use different sizes of rings too. I'm going to use a transparent thread. This is a 16 millimeters thread, because I hope all the steps are quite clear, even if I'm going to use this kind of thread. Then you will need a needle. I'm going to use a tulip needle, and this is size 11. And you will need an earring hook. So let's start working with our earring. You have to bring the ring, the silver ring, and place it in the middle of your hand. Pick up an 11-0 blue seed bead and bring it at the end of the thread. Now you have to place the thread behind the ring. So in this way, you have to pass with the needle through the ring and then pull the thread, and then pass through the 11-0 seed bead and pull the thread again. So pull the thread with your fingers, try to not move the seed bead, and now pick up another 11-0 seed bead. I'm using blue one. Pass the needle through the silver ring and then pass again through the second bead and pull the thread again. This is the step you have to repeat until the end of the round. You have to make all the round with blue seed beads. So pick up another blue seed bead, bring it at the end of the thread, pass the needle through the ring and pass again through the third blue seed bead, and repeat this step until the end of the round. This is the final result. As you can see, we have to join together the first blue seed bead and the last seed bead we have just added to the work. So with the thread, pass through the left seed bead from the top to the bottom, and then pass through the right seed bead from the bottom to the top. If you want, you can repeat this step another time to secure the work. Now we are going to work with silver seed beads. So we are working with 11-0, silver 11-0 seed beads. So pick up 2 silver 11-0 seed beads, and this time you have to pass through the loop, as you can see in the video. Pull the thread and pass through from the bottom to the top the right 11/0 seed bead and pull the thread again. Now pick up another 11/0 seed bead and pass through the next loop that is between the metallic cosmos seed beads. Pull the thread and pass through the silver bead from the bottom to the top. And you have to repeat the second round in this way to complete the work. Once you have finished this round with silver 11/0 seed beads, you have to join the two seed beads like I showed you in the previous step. So pass through them and join them together. Now we are going to work with super duo beads. So pick up one 15/0 seed bead, one super duo bead, 3 15/0 seed bead, and pass through the second hole of the same super duo. Pick up another 15/0 seed bead and pass through the third silver 11/0 seed beads. Now pass through the next 11/0 silver seed beads and pick up again one 15/0 seed bead, one super duo bead, 3 15/0 seed beads, pass through the second hole of the super duo, pick up another 15/0 seed bead and pass the thread through the third bead. So you have to repeat this step until you have completed all the round. Now you have the thread exiting the space that is between two of the metallic cosmos seed beads. Pick up two 11/0 seed beads, two blue seed beads, and pass the needle through the ring. Then you have to pass again with your needle between the space between two metallic cosmos seed beads, not the first but the second space. Pull the thread and then you have to pass through the second bead from the bottom to the top. Pass again the needle through the ring, pick up another blue seed bead, bring it at the end of the thread, and then pass again through the space between the metallic cosmos seed beads. Pull the thread and pass through the third seed bead from the bottom to the top. You have to go on in this way to complete the inner part of the ring. So these are our Ferris wheel earrings. This is the final result, and I decided to put an earring hook, a simply earring hook. I passed once again through the sequence made of super duo and 15/0 seed beads. I hope you like this project. Please let me know what do you think about it in the comments below. If you want to help me sharing my works, if you want more tutorials, please share my videos, like my videos, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!